Abundance is not something you have. It's something you experience when you align your thoughts and emotions with gratitude and possibility. Deepak Chopra. Everyone has prayed. Everyone has made some efforts to get in front of a statue and pray as if your life depends on it. Atheists or not, you have also done it. Maybe not go in front of a statue, but with your inner conversations you have had those inner prayers. Those prayers are not quite up to our expectations sometimes. When we pray, when we state it out to the universe or God or your higher self, we are oftentimes wishing for that thing to happen to us. We are often wishing that those moments might have an effect on us like we wish it to have. But sometimes the moments doesn't even give us a chance to witness it. And sometimes those moments are not living up to our expectations. So how do we make the universe hear our prayers and give us what we want? In today's video, we are going to dwell into these things. We are going to know about some important aspects of prayer and use it so we will get the result that we desire. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, I want you to buckle up in your seat and listen to me carefully till the end of this video. If you don't understand, rewind and listen to it again. If I am going slow or fast, there is always an option for the playback speed in the settings to the right side of this video. Calm down and listen to what I say, concentrate and understand. So let's get started. Now let's start with a small topic related to prayers. So, how do you think you pray? The common pattern that is mostly seen in people who pray is that they often pray with less faith. They often pray with a mindset that somebody is not listening to their prayers. They don't have the trust that some force in this universe is listening to what they are saying. They don't completely put themselves out in the universe and ask. And importantly, they don't only ask. They beg for what they want. Abundance or any other thing that you are wishing is not something to be begged for. You have to realize that there are those things waiting for you in this path of your life, and you are going to experience those things gradually with time. While you are praying, do not pray as if you are begging for them to give you those things. Pray as if you are asking the universe to show you those things so that you can experience it. Begging or asking the universe to create you some situations related to your desire is a huge mistake that anyone can do. So, try not to ask the universe to create situations. Believe that there are situations with one of the possibilities that the universe provides you while you are manifesting your desire, and you are just asking the universe the guidance to lead you to that path. The other thing that I have heard is that prayers are something that should be kept secret, because while we share prayer, whatever we are bringing into our lives, we reduce its frequency. So try to keep it with you and keep it close to you rather than just blabbering around about your prayers. The first step you can take to increase the effectiveness of your prayer is to feel the gratitude within you. Now, feeling the gratitude means that you start to involve the feeling of gratitude in every aspect of your life. Something that many people avoid, because many people think that gratitude only means to be thankful for someone when someone is serving you something, or when someone is giving you something. That is not only the meaning of gratitude. That is not the only way you can express your gratitude to somebody or something. In spirituality, when you are expressing your gratitude, you are thanking the universe or God, or whatever you might prefer to call it, and tell them that you are thankful for everything that they have given you. And while you are thanking them for everything that they have given you, they would also return you back with more of it. Maybe you have heard this, which is one of the Newton's law, and it stated that every action has equal and opposite reaction. So if you are feeling gratitude towards the universe for whatever things that you have as of now, you will receive more of it because you are putting up a force in the universe. You are putting up a vibrational force in the universe. And with that much amount of action given to the universe, you will receive more of it through the reactions, through all the positivity that you will be receiving by the universe. When you include gratitude in your prayers, you will not have to dwell upon every other prayers, like every other different prayers every day of your life. Just one prayer that you really feel it from the bottom of your heart, and say it with gratitude, like affirmations. You might have heard about affirmations while manifesting. Similarly, you can use the idea of affirmation in prayers. What do we do while affirming? We really feel it from the bottom of our heart, because that is what we were taught. And here we have to do the same thing, but for prayer. What most of us do is that we continue the daily activity that we have done since our childhood, and have seen our parents or elder person do it. But when we do it, we don't hold any meaning to it, for like the most of the time, prayer is always related to asking for something or asking for some favor from the universe. Now, from this moment onwards, what we have to do is that we have to feel the gratitude for what we have and tell the universe that we are ready to embrace all of the things that we are currently desiring. We are ready to witness it for ourselves. And when you put this out in the universe with belief and trust and the faith in the universe, you will see instant changes appearing in your life. Gratitude is so important just because of this, and many of us neglect it because, as I said, expressing gratitude is not only saying thank you to a server who is serving you at a restaurant. Another method is to practice the 4 phrases of Ho'oponopono, and they are, I am sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. Once you include these 4 sentences and feel gratitude with every word you speak about your desire and your current situations, you are leading yourself to a better life of your desire. Moving on to the second step, this is often called as the isolated request. In this step, you have to stop all of those excuses and complaints, and you have to start being focused on what you already have, which means that you have to approach the current situations or the current things that are going on good in your life with a positive mindset. After you have had this positive attitude towards your life, you can start asking, or you can start manifesting your desires with this positive attitude. This particular positive attitude is the thing that will give you much clearance about your situations or about your next step. So always approach your desire with so much positivity that you will not have to take a step back and tap into that positivity again, and then go into that manifestation process. Next step is to take inspired actions towards your goals. Until and unless you take an inspired action towards your goal, you will not see the progress that you have been doing. You have to grab all the opportunities that is in front of you. When you start to tell yourself that you are going to take this step, and you are going to be at this phase of your life where everything is going to be better than the phase that you are in, and even if there are much more possibilities to it, those possibilities are going to be much more better than that once you have. Have that mindset and speak those words out for yourself. You will be witnessing your prayers being heard, and you will see the effective progress in your life. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.